So we have the new years. Now I want to get to my midterm planning.
Okay, then let's do this. We open the report for midterm planning, and again, the point of view shows you the major entrance point, 2016, our best bicycle company, and the midterm planning shows always the next 3 years budget, but it's not really the budget data, it's the midterm budgeting, so for strategic planning. And when I select 2017, I can see that our additional years are coming up now, so 2020, because this is a complete new year, our sample data is empty. And I walk you through now to the major steps, because somewhere in time we are collecting actual data, so and this is our previous data, then somebody is forecasting data, and with this forecast data you can now use this midterm planning and copy the forecast data to do your strategic planning. So based on the same on data that has been entered for forecasting, you can take the data, store the data in a different area of the database, and can use them for your midterm planning. When you have the 2018 midterm planning data feeded, you can go and copy this to the next year. So here you have also the possibilities that the system helps you. And exactly this is what we want to do now here, because 2020, new year, so we want to do the midterm planning there. And we are copying the data from our 2019 year, and there you go.
And the PL is profit and loss?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see the system copies data, but it's only one little data set actually. I would like to copy a lot more. I would like to copy the complete profit loss from operation activities. And you will see the system is very smart here, because it cares about all underlying accounts, copies the entire structure, the entire data.
Okay, but I want to adjust some of the stuff up top, like the interest revenue. How can I adjust that?
Ah, I see. You want to have more money in 2020. Right.
I like it.
Yeah. So another option here is to increase by 0%.
By 0 wouldn't help me.
Right. Doesn't make sense here. But this is the starting of the report. It's set up to 0 to not destroy data, but you can show the percentage. On top of each column, you get a little box where you can say the next values I would like to adjust with 10% increase, and there you can go now and increase by exactly this value, and it cares about this automatically.
Okay.
So if you want to increase multiple accounts.
But hold on, I saw a thing popped up here on the side, and so that reflects the increase.
Correct.
Okay, great.
Immediately calculated from the database, so you don't have to process something. And if you stay with the 10%, you can repeat this on all the data entry cells. And if you say, okay, now I would like to go the next one with 5%, just change the value on top, select another one, and there you increase by 5%.
Okay, looks good.
Okay.
But let's say I make a mistake when I'm entering stuff. Usually that doesn't happen, but just in case it does, how do I get rid of the mistake I made if I can't find it, for example?
So what I show you now can also delete a lot of mistakes. So you you go to the specific cell you want to get rid of the data, pull down, and you reset to 0.
Okay,
but you have to carefully use this, because if you do this on a highly aggregated value, like our operations activities, you delete everything underneath.
Okay, so you said highly aggregated, and for me that means the stuff in bold.
Correct.
Okay,
exactly.
Great.